Choosing the perfect lipstick for fair skin with pink undertones can be challenging, but finding the right shade can truly enhance your natural beauty. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 lipsticks that are ideal for fair skin with pink undertones, each offering a unique hue to complement your complexion. Whether you're aiming for a soft everyday look or a striking evening statement, these picks will guide you to your perfect match. Let's explore these must-have lipsticks. Kicking off our list at number 1, MAC Cosmetics Diva. MAC Cosmetics Diva is a stunning deep burgundy shade that adds a touch of sophistication to fair skin with pink undertones. Known for its rich color and versatile finish, this lipstick is a favorite among beauty enthusiasts. Key features: the Diva lipstick features a matte finish that delivers high-impact color in a single swipe. Its formula is enriched with moisturizing agents to keep lips smooth and hydrated while providing long-lasting wear. The lipstick comes in MAC's signature bullet format, which is easy to apply and control. Benefits and usage: Diva is perfect for creating a bold, dramatic look that stands out against fair skin with pink undertones. It's ideal for evening events or occasions where you want to make a statement. For the best results, apply directly from the bullet or use a lip brush for precise application. Pair it with a neutral eye look to let the lips be the focal point. Usability: applying Diva is straightforward due to its creamy texture and well-designed bullet. It glides on smoothly, providing full coverage with minimal effort. The matte finish ensures that it stays put throughout the day, reducing the need for frequent touch-ups. Durability: this lipstick offers excellent staying power, with the matte formula ensuring that the color remains vibrant for hours. While it may require minor touch-ups after meals or drinks, it generally holds up well throughout the day. The moisturizing agents help to prevent dryness, keeping your lips comfortable. In the second spot, we have Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk is a cult favorite nude pink lipstick that perfectly complements fair skin with pink undertones. Known for its universally flattering shade, it's a staple in many beauty collections. Key features: Pillow Talk features a creamy, matte formula that glides on effortlessly. Its pigment-rich formula provides full coverage with a natural, soft finish. Enriched with emollients, it keeps lips hydrated and plump, offering long-lasting comfort. Benefits and usage: this shade is ideal for creating a chic, everyday look that enhances the natural pink undertones of fair skin. It's versatile enough for both casual and formal occasions. Apply directly from the bullet for a quick application, or use a lip liner for added definition and longevity. Usability: Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk is user-friendly, with its creamy texture allowing for smooth application. The lipstick's formulation ensures that it doesn't feather or bleed, making it a great choice for a polished look. Its natural pink hue complements a variety of makeup styles. Durability: the lipstick's matte finish provides good staying power, though it may need a touch-up after eating or drinking. The moisturizing ingredients ensure that your lips remain hydrated even after extended wear. Overall, Pillow Talk maintains its color and comfort throughout the day. Coming in at number 3 is the NARS Audacious Lipstick in Lana. NARS Audacious Lipstick in Lana is a vibrant pink that offers a bold pop of color, perfect for fair skin with pink undertones. Known for its intense pigmentation and smooth application, this lipstick is a standout in the NARS collection. Key features: the Lana lipstick features a satin finish that combines the richness of a matte with the shine of a gloss. Its formula is designed to deliver full coverage with a creamy, hydrating texture. The lipstick comes in a sleek, modern bullet that ensures precise application. Benefits and usage: Lana is ideal for those who want to add a vibrant touch of pink to their look. It's perfect for both daytime and evening wear, adding a fresh and youthful appearance. Apply directly from the bullet for a bold look, or use a lip brush for a more controlled application. Usability: applying the NARS Lana is easy due to its creamy texture and smooth finish. It provides even coverage with minimal effort and doesn't require frequent reapplications. The lipstick's hydrating properties keep lips feeling comfortable and looking plump. Durability: this lipstick offers good durability with its satin finish, though it may need occasional touch-ups throughout the day. Its hydrating formula helps to maintain comfort and color intensity, even after eating or drinking. Overall, Lana remains vibrant and fresh-looking. Taking our fourth spot is Maybelline Color Sensational in Pink for Me. Maybelline's Color Sensational in Pink for Me is a delightful pink shade that enhances fair skin with pink undertones. Known for its affordability and vibrant color payoff, this lipstick is a popular choice for everyday wear. Key features: this lipstick features a creamy formula that offers full coverage and a satin finish. It is enriched with honey nectar, which helps to keep lips hydrated and soft. The product comes in an easy-to-use bullet format, perfect for quick applications. Benefits and usage: Pink for Me is perfect for adding a touch of bright, youthful pink to your look. It's suitable for daily wear, providing a fresh and natural appearance. For best results, apply directly from the bullet or use a lip brush for more precise application. Pair it with a light eye makeup for a balanced look. Usability: the creamy texture of Maybelline's Pink for Me ensures smooth and even application. The hydrating formula helps prevent dryness, making it comfortable for extended wear. The lipstick's color payoff is impressive for its price, offering vibrant color without needing multiple layers. Durability: this lipstick provides decent durability with its satin finish, though it may require touch-ups after eating or drinking. The hydrating ingredients help maintain comfort throughout the day, keeping your lips feeling fresh. Overall, Pink for Me is a reliable choice for everyday use. And finally, at number 5, we have Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche Lipstick in Chai. Bite Beauty's Amuse Bouche Lipstick in Chai is a beautiful pink-brown shade that enhances fair skin with pink undertones. Known for its luxurious formula and rich color payoff, this lipstick is a favorite among beauty lovers. Key features: the Chai lipstick features a creamy, satin finish that delivers intense pigmentation and hydration. Its formula is crafted with natural ingredients, including citrus fruit extracts, which nourish and condition the lips. The lipstick comes in a chic, sleek bullet design. Benefits and usage: Chai is perfect for creating a sophisticated, everyday look with its pink-brown hue. It's suitable for various occasions, adding a touch of elegance to your makeup routine. Apply directly from the bullet or use a lip brush for a more precise application. Usability: applying the Bite Beauty Chai lipstick is effortless due to its creamy texture. The lipstick glides on smoothly, providing even coverage with each swipe. The hydrating formula ensures comfort, making it a great choice for all-day wear. Its color is versatile and complements a range of looks. Durability: this lipstick offers good durability with its satin finish, maintaining its color and comfort throughout the day. It may require minor touch-ups after meals or drinks, but the hydrating properties help keep your lips feeling fresh. Overall, Chai remains vibrant and smooth. Thank you for watching our roundup of the best lipsticks for fair skin with pink undertones. From bold and vibrant to soft and neutral, these top 5 picks offer something for every style and occasion. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more beauty tips and product reviews. Share your favorite lipstick in the comments below and let us know which one you'll be trying next. See you in the next video.